So check this out. Look at that. Look at how far down it is. This is Cowichan. Is that still Cowichan River? That is Cowichan River, isn't it?
Boy, it's good tide. Look at the water. You can see where the...
Well, it goes down a long way. Be cool to see it in the wintertime. Feel the heat, eh? It's nice. I said it's a good spot to bungee jump.
Yeah, wouldn't that be
Hey?
something?
Oh, sure.
Yeah. A lost opportunity. Here there, buddy.
Anyway, this is where we are. Biking. There's all the bikers. Phil, Kathy, Wendy, and we're over in Old Trestle. Right here. It's absolutely beautiful. And it's warm. Where? It does. It is one, I think. Super soaker. That's always nice to have some plastic squirt guns in the river. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Huh. Crazy.